Tracking monthly expenses through paper receipts and handwritten ledgers is often a tedious, disorganized process that must be converted to digital code. Most budgets fail because manual data entry is time-consuming, and a standard spreadsheet cannot provide personalized context for your spending. We can solve this by priming a standard AI chatbot to function as a dedicated financial strategist, a method known as fiscal AI. By the end of this tutorial, a messy list of expenses will be transformed into a categorized dashboard with specific, actionable saving strategies. Budgeting becomes a task of providing the right instructions rather than performing repetitive arithmetic. To start, gather your monthly take-home pay and your average expenses into a basic, unformatted text document. Before we interact with the AI, we must secure your data. Sharing personal identifiable information, or PII, is the most common risk in this process. Never share bank account numbers, passwords, or your full name with a language model. Use generic labels for your accounts. In this example, specific bank names are replaced with credit card 1 to keep data anonymous and safe. This anonymized text file provides a secure foundation for the AI to analyze your financial behavior. Simply asking an AI to make a budget usually results in generic advice. You must assign the model a specific persona instead. Enter the master prompt. Act as an expert financial advisor. I will provide my monthly income and expenses. I want you to categorize them using the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a framework that divides your income into 3 specific categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Now paste your anonymized list of expenses directly into the chat interface. The AI immediately transforms your raw text into a structured framework, placing every expense into its designated column. This automation removes the need for manual sorting. The model calculates the totals for each category instantly. Applying this framework allows the AI to translate random expenses into a strategic map of your spending. Now that the expenses are categorized, we can look for specific spending patterns that the model can help reduce. We do this with the Savings Squeeze prompt. Review my wants category. Suggest 3 realistic ways I can cut this by 15% to increase savings. If the AI provides vague suggestions like buying less coffee, do not accept the response. Direct the model to use the specific dollar amounts you provided to generate math-backed recommendations for your specific situation. Once the strategy is set, ask the AI to output the finalized budget as a copy-pastable table. Highlight the table in the chat window and paste it into your spreadsheet program of choice. Moving the data out of the chat window turns the AI's analysis into a permanent, actionable dashboard. You now have a functional, color-coded budget that was completed in minutes. We reached this state by applying specific instructions to an initial disorganized text file. To maintain this system, save this specific chat thread and return to it at the end of the next month. By adding your updated monthly numbers to the same thread, the AI can compare your month-over-month habits and track your progress toward your savings goals. This entire process turns what used to be a frustrating one-time calculation into a powerful, consistent tool for tracking your long-term financial trajectory.